Did you know that every disease begins in the gut and that 90% of our immune system resides in the gut? So the foods that we eat are absolutely important and are going to feed directly into our immune system. My name's Kumud Gandhi. I'm a food scientist and nutritionalist in functional medicine. In my one-day Cooking for Gut Health and Gut Microbiome class, I'm going to take you through the most nutrient-dense ingredients that you will want to put into your diet in order to build your immune system to be strong, but also protect you against disease. I want all of us to enjoy food to the best of its abilities, but eating the right foods and getting them to become a habit and part of your weekly, monthly, daily repertoire is often what's difficult in life. But actually, when we know how to create recipes that give us great food, that tastes amazing, then we will want to make these foods time and time again. And they're the kind of recipes that your whole family can enjoy. In this class, I'm going to take you through the science of the gut health and how exactly the gut microbiome works in conjunction with your digestive system, and how important digestion is to the overall ability of our body to absorb the nutrients that we take in from our food. Through this class and through eating the ingredients that we'll be using to make these recipes, you'll not only heal your gut, but you'll energize yourself and be able to improve your digestive health and your overall well-being. And this is about long-term health, and this is about ensuring that you've got all of the balance and variety of foods we need to be at our peak performance. If you'd like to know more about your gut health, the science behind it, the nutrients that you need for better gut health, and 10 amazing recipes that you can make, join me on this class.